Yo, what up? Jeff Samuda, and today I just want to talk about the stuff that I've been doing lately. Been doing a lot of stuff on Photoshop. This is a weird ass angle right now, but my camera has to be right there. I can't put it up here because I'm against the wall. It's the way my desk is set up. But yeah, pretty much all I've been doing lately is just editing stuff to make t-shirts and decals and stuff like that. That's the kind of stuff I've been really into lately. I haven't really been doing much PC parts and stuff like that lately, because really I can't afford buying any more PC parts right now, so that's gonna be put on the side for a bit till I'm able to afford some more PC parts. So my channel is going to go in a little different direction from now on. If you want, I could show you guys my designs and stuff I've been working on lately. I've been posting a lot of it on my Facebook. Alright, here we go. Check out this design that I have. Wait, my bad. This, I made my channel banner. I think it's pretty cool. Oh wait, this was the first one I made, but on mobile you could only see like my name right here, so I had to re-edit that, and I made it out here. I made this one. This is my channel banner that I made. It's pretty easy, dude. Like once you get a hold of Photoshop and you start learning it, stuff gets pretty easy. And I just made this design not even an hour ago, so I want to make this into a t-shirt, but I just want to see if people like it. So I think it's gonna look dope on a black shirt. I mocked it up on a shirt. It's looking pretty dope, I think. So yeah, I just been doing a lot of graphic design stuff lately. Thinking about making this one. This is just a rough one. See how like it's not lined up or anything really. But yeah, dude, get that generational wealth. That's what I'm after. What else? Another design. Oh yeah, this one. Got anarchy signs, stuff like that. That's gonna be a sick ass shirt, I think. What else? Check this out. Yeah, I heard it. I made this design. Whoa, why is it all black? Made this design. What else? Made Destiny this for her birthday. Oh yeah, I made JJ a shirt today. This one. This is on the back of his shirt. And then what I wanted was I don't know if you guys know about Gorilla Tag, but there's a badge you can get on there. That's on the front. Yeah. I think I was talking to myself. Yeah. That's funny. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna make this into a shirt though. That's gonna be dope. Odin. Yeah. This is my profile picture. What footage? Oh yeah. Caden dared me to make my profile picture this. He cut my eyeballs out, and then let's put a portal in my eyeballs, and I was just going through my downloads, and he's like, wait, put Sonic in your eyes. So I reversed the Sonic and put one on each eye. It's my profile picture right now. Made this into a t-shirt too. That's on the back of the shirt. It's pretty dope. Yeah, that's about it. Those are some of the designs I worked on lately.
Hope it's coming back.
Yeah. So yeah. My channel's not gonna be about PC parts and stuff much lately, so like I said, it's because I can't afford any parts to put in my system right now, so mainly gonna be about graphics design, Photoshop, video editing, stuff like that. So yeah, if you guys like any of that, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Yeah, if you like the designs, let me know, because I want to make them into t-shirts, but I want to make sure I can be able to sell them, so that's why they're just mock-ups right now. But yeah, once I get some money, I'll order in some what are they called? I can order some prints that I don't have to cut out. I just gotta press them on a t-shirt. So I can just send those vectors, and then they'll send me back design that I can press on a t-shirt. So yeah, let me know, guys. Peace.